Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your RonTrades and we're back here with another trading video. In today's video, guys, we're going to be going over my EU short and my S&P and US30 short position here on Tuesday 11th, 2022. So let's go ahead and dive right into this video. So right here, guys, my first setup here was taken on my 50K challenge account here on EU during London session. So right here, guys, we had a previous day high, which is where's the previous day high? Right here. Previous day high, well, actually it's right here. Going to be technical. Previous day high right here was printed right here on Monday, right? So a price ran a previous day high. We're already in a what are we in already? We are already in a premium market. So looking for sales here, we're going to be very, very valid. As price ran the previous day high, that added a little bit more hot sauce to my confidence and into my trade setup. So what I waited for here, guys, as price ran the previous day high, I simply waited for price to make the high today, right? We made the high today right here around 3 o'clock. As we made the high today, I waited for some 5-minute displacement. Let's go ahead and go right down to it, guys. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame, right? Okay. Let me just delete the short position here so we can see this a little bit more better. All right. So like I said, guys, I was looking for price to run the previous day high, which we did. We came up here and we also had another liquidity run here around 305. So 305 is where we had that clear displacement here after we took out liquidity. Where was liquidity at? Right here. Let me draw it right here for you guys. We had a stop run here, right? We had a stop run. Our narrative is what? Bearish. What are we above the previous day high? Also, what are we above? We're above the what? Midnight opening candle. So what? That's all adding fuel to push towards the sales for a nice London scalp. So that was my whole narrative this entire day, guys, with this entire London session. So price ran up here, took out the previous day high, and we took out this short-term buy-side liquidity pool here. After we had that, what do we have? A shift in market structure here, taking out what? This short-term low. Watch the short-term low. We had an imbalance. They got rebalanced right here. This counter 50% got filled here. Price came down, took that out. If we are bullish, we do not take these out. We respect those and we keep going. Price took it out. After price took that out, what do we do now? I waited for price to pull back up inside of this nice order block. What's my order block? This last up close candle here, displacement candle here, energetic, not a wick, not a small candle. This is an energetic candle after we've already took out liquidity. Price pulls back up inside of here. I take my entry here. Stop loss goes above here. And you can see here, I took partials. I did take partials a little bit early on the setup here. I took partials right here and I let the rest of my setup run down to, I didn't capture all this, guys. I'm going to be, I think I captured this. Let me see. Let's go right here. Entry is right here. I had an SL right here above there. I took partials right off this wick right here. Right here is where I closed my full setup out. I did not capture this little movement down below sell side liquidity, which I should have, but I did end up closing out of my setup here. I took partials here, then I let a little bit more of the setup run down here so this went for about 28 pips to be exact, guys. So yeah, this was my nice euro dollar London session short. So let's go ahead and go to my US30 and my SP 500 short. Okay. Okay, here we go. So right here, guys, this is going to be my US30 and my S&P 500 short position. I'm going to actually bring up both of the positions here on the screen. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, so on the top position, guys, this is going to, let me delete this here. On the top is going to be US 500. On the bottom is going to be US 30. I'm using this because I used my SMT Divergence when I took this setup, which is something that I'm starting to learn now. So this is why I took this setup on a demo account, because I was using a model which I'm not really familiar with, but I'm learning. So I did use this SMT Divergence. So I didn't place any live funds or funded account challenges on this setup. I did demo it out, which I'm still grateful for, guys. So like I say right here, guys, on the top, basically what I seen was we had an SMT Divergence here. S&P 500, we made a higher high. So right here, like I say, guys, the narrative is going to be bearish while we're in a premium market on all the indices. Where in my opinion, we're in a premium market on the indices. So I came into this day already looking for some type of form of bearishness or bearish order flow to step into the market. So once I came here in the 5-minute time frame, we had S&P 500 make a higher high here, made a higher high here. But you can see here on US 30, we failed to make a higher high here. So once I seen that, I said, hey, yeah, we're probably about to see a reversal in market structure. So right after I seen it and I waited, I wanted to wait for clear displacement. I wanted to wait for the market telling me, hey, I'm ready. Hey, I'm about to change structure. What do we have here off this rundown? Right here, after we had the liquidity run at SMT divergence, we had what? Displacement, energetic here. Price returns back where? Last up close candle. It taps it very, very nicely. Let me draw a line out here so you guys can see that. Boom, right here. Price taps its last up close candle after what? After liquidity has been run, after we have had SMT divergence, displacement, return back where? Order block. Stop loss goes above this high right here. Will attack lower. Now, as you can see, I did take profits a little bit early here. I was targeting here for this sell side liquidity pool here, but I went ahead and closed my target out here. So yeah, it was a nice, very nice scalp position here. And you can see, guys, US30 is the exact same thing. What do we have on US30? Price failed to make a higher high after S&P made a higher high. We had what on US30? We had clear displacement once again. What do we have here? Clear displacement. So we wait for this. We wait for this move here to be printed. What does price pull back up to? Last up close candle before the down close candles here. After SP500 made a higher high. Displacement, return back where? Last up close candle, order block. We take an entry here. Stop loss goes above here, and you live with the results. Now you can see here, guys. I did take TP here as price came down and ran sell side liquidity. I am expecting price to get down inside of this blue rectangle box here, which is going to be a gap in the market. So I am expecting price to reach down to that gap. But as you can see, I did close out my setups here, guys. So yeah, this was a very nice day for me, guys. I went 3-3, 1-0 on my funded challenge, 2-0 on my demo account. So I'm very grateful and proud of myself for today's setup. So once again, just a quick summary on this setup, guys. S&P 500 made a higher high. My narrative was bearish already, guys. So after the S&P 500 made that higher high and I seen US30 fail to make a higher high, I waited for a clear displacement to come down. So we had clear displacement here. Return back to a order block. As you can see here, same thing on US30, guys. Displacement here. Return back to our order block. Literally, this is the exact same picture being printed here. And yeah, we just took advantage of it. Obviously, we didn't enter this on our live account or a funded challenge. But like I say, I'm still very grateful that, you know, I was able to read this and capture this this price action here, guys. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, guys, I will continue to keep bringing you videos each and every week. I am in the process of taking a 50K challenge account, so I will keep you guys updated with a you know, results on that. Win or lose, I will post it. So yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying my journey, guys, and enjoying my content. I thank you guys for all the support, and I will continue to keep bringing you guys more and more quality content. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys next video, and peace.